Welcome back. Now there will be times within Zapier that you'll need to transfer information in bulk. And when you do that, you're going to use transfers. What you're going to do is first to create a transfer. Now as of the recording of this video, there are only 24 apps that you can use to make the transfer from. And you will be able to scroll through the list. Now one of the things that you'll see here is that you can use Google Sheets. You can also use Microsoft Excel. And this is where you can have bulk information in categorized areas. You'll also notice that you can use Stripe and you can use Zoom. At some point there may be more applications that you can use. What we're going to do is we're going to use a spreadsheet or CSV form within Microsoft Excel. What you're then going to do is you're going to choose the source data. And the choice that we have is to use a specific row within Microsoft Excel. What we're now going to do is we're going to choose the destination application. In this case, we're going to choose GoToWebinar. We're going to choose a destination action. And in this case, we are going to create a specific registrant based on information we have within Microsoft Excel. So if you have a number of contacts, and you have them individually arranged on different rows, you can use them to create a registrant on a GoToWebinar session. We're going to click Create Registrant. We're then going to click Next. Once you have connected your data source to Zapier, you'll then be able to allow Zapier to look inside of that data source in order to find specific parameters that you're going to send to the new application. So we're going to connect each and every one of the required dialogues within our data source. Once we find the specific document, we can then look within that document to find a specific parameter. Now what we have now done is we have connected our data source to the transfer portal inside of Zapier. What we can now do is to go Next. And what we can now do is we can connect to our GoToWebinar account. Since we have connected GoToWebinar to our Zapier account, what we can now do is look for a specific webinar. And what you'll then do is you will map out each portion in the row that you are going to be looking for in order to make the transfer to GoToWebinar. And what you're going to do is you're going to map out each portion of the data transfer. You are then going to click Next. Once you have your fields mapped, you're then going to click Looks Good. What you'll then be able to do is to select the data that you want to transfer. You'll then click Next. And what you can then do is you can send the data all at one time to a specific location using the transfer portal. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.